Welcome. In this video, we are discussing the diploma in event management, and this is the assignment for July 2025, January 2026 sessions. And for this paper, the last date of this paper is 31st March for July 2025 sessions and 30 September 2026 session. If you are of this session, you can contact us anytime on our WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is given on the below. WhatsApp number is 900 936 8238. So this is the paper code is BHC-012 event planning. If you are looking for the paper, so paper answers, contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers accordingly. If you want any other help, so you can contact us. Well, we are here for help you. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on the next video.